I'm pretty sure I just like broke my toe or something.
Okay with it? Alright guys, it's not that big of a deal. Is it fun? No. So, yeah.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm starting to get a little bit more comfortable with saying that, but anyways, we're not going to talk about that because I feel like I talk about that every video. But yeah, so welcome back to the channel. I am currently out where I used to show horses at. So out at the fairgrounds where I used to show at all the time, and it's quiet and there's nobody here, and it's kind of nostalgic because I haven't been out here in a long time. So this is going to be my attempt on a kind of a weekend vlog. I just went and picked up Penelope and Bean from their grandparents' house, babysitter's house, and I'm gonna have them for the weekend. And I have some things I want to get done on the van. I have some work I have to get done. I'm gonna go out and see Jubilee this weekend too. So I'm probably gonna go out there and I'm gonna stay at the barn tonight. So right now we're just at the fairgrounds, just hanging out, chilling. I have some rust spots on the van that I want to get fixed before I go far. Before I travel far. I just want to patch up the little rust spots. So I'm going to kind of video that. Yeah, and this is going to be my attempt at a vlog this week. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're going to see what happens because I've never vlogged before. I've only made like sit-down videos. And we're going to go from there. So, like I said, the van has some rust spots, so my goal is A, to get a little bit of a tan, because I got some white pasty arms right now, and B, I want to get these rust spots cleaned up so they don't get any worse, because I really don't want to deal with that later on down the road. Ah! Of course I waste it. Alright, it said use paper towel, but I don't have paper towel, so I'm just going to use this. So it said soak it, so I'm soaking it. Ow, I'm pretty sure I just like broke my toe or something. But I got that first part done, and I'm going to use just some white spray paint once it's dried. So first part's done, I'm going to let it dry, going to continue working on the rest, and then I'm going to go around and spray paint the little spots that I de-rusted. But I will say, I don't like it because it's like, I really don't know what I'm doing. Disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing half of the time, I'm just doing it. So I would say, you know, I'm telling you what I'm doing and stuff like that, but it's probably not correct. So we got cute little Bean 1, and then we have why in the world did you have to do that? Come on, P. Alright, I'm just gonna have a quick snack, just some Chex Mix and a couple Cuties, and then I think I'm gonna let all of this dry on this side and then move on to the back. But I just want to say that just to be able to have the option to do this, like I'm out in the middle at a fairgrounds where honestly I spent a large majority of my childhood, and this was honestly my favorite place in the world to be. So being able to kind of like stop and visit it and like work on the van, but also just be here and let the dogs run around, and then maybe like venture around in a little bit, and like I'm home. It's pretty amazing. I'm super excited to, you know, start traveling and get on the road. So excited for it. But also to kind of just move slowly and like visit the places where I spent a lot of time at, visit family, find just small beautiful spots to like chill at, like in the area that I live. It's priceless. Like, this is where I'm spending my afternoon, and it costs nothing. And it's one of my favorite spots in the world, so pretty amazing.
Do you even really like this track? Take away the drugs, would you feel the noise?
So far today, honestly, it was a beautiful day. We hung out still at the fairgrounds. There's nobody here, so we have this entire place to ourselves, and this place is huge. And there's this big old field right outside, and I'm sure you'll see it in the video. Yeah, so I got all the rust pretty much all sanded down and painted over. It's not the prettiest, but right now it's gonna do until I can, you know, get it just a little bit more finished. So we got that done, and we made dinner and hung out and played in the field, played catch. And yeah, just had like a really peaceful day. Just a really peaceful day. I mean, I'm literally sitting here with nobody around and perfect temperature. My puppers are chilling right here. It's just a fantastic day. So yeah, I'm just super grateful for this moment, and super grateful to do this, because this is what it's about. Just hanging out, just chilling, but it's peaceful, you know. Good morning. We are currently parked sorry, I'm tired, and this is what I look like in the morning. How beautiful. With my stinky morning breath and yeah, craziness. But we're parked over where by a trail where I like to go hiking at. And I think we're gonna get up, make some coffee, and then go for a small hike, and then go to the barn, go see Jubilee. The barn's like 5 minutes away from here, so that's why I decided to park here for the night, go for a hike, and then go to the barn and go hang out with her. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So nights in the van honestly have been super cozy the past couple of nights. It's been like perfect temperature where I just need my comforter, maybe an extra blanket, and then snuggles with Bean. So I would say snuggles with Penelope, but she doesn't like to snuggle with me. She either likes to lay on top of me, or she wants to put her butt on my shoulder. So that's her snuggles. But Bean likes to like snuggle. Bean likes to spoon. Right, Bean? Right, Bean? Come here. Good morning. Good morning. Ah, you're stepping on my armpit. Oh, that hurt. Good morning. Good morning. P. Penelope. Oh, come here. Good morning. Oh. I just want to say that I never made my bed when I lived in a house. And this is only week 1 on the road, and I feel like I'm going to have to make my bed every single day. Which, am I okay with it? I guess it's not that big of a deal.
Is it fun? No. So, yeah.
At least it was in the top right. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm gonna enjoy and drink my coffee, and then we're gonna go for a hike. I'll show you how I brush my teeth. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I figured out a way. So to brush my teeth and everything, I use this. This is my sink, well, faucet. I have a little pop-up sink that I use to like wash dishes in and everything, but this is my faucet. So I try to fill this up every morning. Well, my goal, I shouldn't say I try, I just started. I just bought this. But my goal is to try to fill this up every morning and yeah, use the amount of water that's in this. So I use it to drink out of. I use it to brush my teeth. I use it to give the dogs water. I use it to wash dishes. So yeah, this little guy, very handy. Of course. So I just stopped at the store because I had to get some dog food for the dogs, which are sleeping right now, which is really cute. And we're just chilling in the Meyer parking lot. But I just wanted to share that. Wipes. So I was, before this life, which was only a week ago, I was like a 2, sometimes 3 shower type of person, which is awful, I know, but showers were just like my little safety nets, I guess. These things right here, fantastic, wonderful, lifesavers. I am a stinky man and a stinky person, so I don't like to smell myself. So yeah, wipes. These ones are minty, just in case you want an extra smell, and then just other ones, wipes. These are face wipes, baby wipes, other wipes. So yeah, if you are living this lifestyle, sorry, I have a dog hair in my mouth. If you are going to be living in a van and you don't have a shower, chances are you're going to want to get some wipes. So yeah, this was my wipe haul. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm doing a haul, and it's for wipes. So yeah, get you some of these. You better get up at, what is it? You better come up here and get one of these. You better come up here and get one of these. What is it? It's a chicken salad. But it's wipes. So yeah, that's all I have to say. And we're here. There she is. Okay, so we are here at the barn finally. So yeah, look. So yeah, this is home for tonight, but those horses aren't Jubilee. Jubilee's out in the front. So unfortunately, she won't be like right outside my front door, which would be really cool, but not tonight. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of get settled, get the girls settled. The van's kind of a mess. And then I'm gonna go up and see Jupes. So yeah, we finally made it. So I have the van somewhat put together now. So I think I'm gonna go get Jukes, and yeah, we're gonna just hang out tonight. And guess what? She is gonna just chill right here in this patch of grass with me. So I get to cook with her right next to me. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Hey. Hello. Good morning, loves. Good mornings. Good mornings. Good mornings. Good mornings. Good mornings. Good morning. So, it is almost 10 o'clock, and I probably look beautiful right now. I have no idea what I look like. Let's see. Should I? This is just what you're gonna get in the mornings. So I don't ever sleep in this late, but yeah, it's like 9:45. But I will say, I guess I'm good at sleeping in this van for some reason. Yeah, no, I just sleep really well. But yeah, it's like 10 o'clock. We are just waking up. I'm gonna let the girls outside. It's raining. So, well, it was raining. It rained all night. Yeah, so I'm gonna let them outside. I'm gonna make some coffee. Go ahead, B. Go potty. Jubilee, I don't know if you can see her, but she's that little dot right there. Right there.
In a pickup truck, and it currently has manual.
Oh, you're just sweet.
And I'm pretty lazy.
All shaven, because it's Sunday. I usually shave on Sundays because my beard grows super quick. This is the fit. My cowboy boots. I don't wear them very often because I usually wear muck boots, but I forgot them. So, got the cow shit kickers. What are they called? Shit kickers? That's what they're called. Shit kickers. I'm not gonna get you, and we're gonna ride for a little bit, okay? Cool. Where we going?
babysitting at a Menards parking lot because I need to run in and go grab a thing or two. And then we're gonna head back to their babysitter's house for the night because I have to go back to work and this is my last week of work. So yeah, they're gonna stay there for the week and I am gonna go to work and I'll probably update you guys on that too. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was the first one that I've ever done, so I don't know if it was good, but we'll see. And yeah, Penelope Bean and I will. Sorry, there's this old man dragging this little tiny dog across the grass because he doesn't want to walk. But Penelope Bean and I will see you next week. So take care.